Welcome again to Android Yeah channel. If you're an Android user and you want to enable this lockdown mode on your Android phone, just follow the steps. First of all, tap on gear button and then scroll down on your settings and click on lock screen. Then click on secure lock settings. Then you have to add your phone password just like this, and then you will end up here. Enable this last option, show lockdown option. Once you enable it, just long press on your power button on your phone, so these options will appear. One of them is lockdown mode got enabled, and once you tap on it your screen got locked and you have to add your password again to unlock the screen. And if you disable this icon the lockdown option will disappear. Go try it and don't forget to subscribe my channel.